Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you how to automatically send an email in Gmail for new leads created in Salesforce. So you have new leads coming in Salesforce and want to notify yourself and your team regarding those leads via Gmail. Or you want to create a case in Salesforce whenever there is a new email in Gmail, or get notified for new opportunities created. Getting notified can help keep you aware of new leads and help you better reach out to those leads in no time flat. However, doing that manually for every lead can be quite a task, so that's where Automate.io comes in. Now let's dive into how you can use Automate.io to automatically send emails in Gmail whenever a new lead is created in Salesforce. To begin, click on Create a Bot. Let's name our bot Trigger an Email from Gmail for New Leads in Salesforce. That way we know exactly what this bot is for. And once we have named our bot, we will move down and select our Trigger app. The Trigger app is used to define when your automation should start. In our example, we want the automation to start when a new lead is created in Salesforce. So you will select Salesforce as your Trigger app and authorize your account. Once you're done with the authorization, you can now select New Lead as the trigger. And by the way, you can use different triggers to create different workflows, like syncing Salesforce events to your Google Calendar. The fields that are associated with your lead in Salesforce will be reflected in the output fields here, and you can choose the data you want to map and add to the email. Now, let's move on to our Action app. An Action app defines what should happen in the workflow. In this case, we want to send an email in Gmail. Select Gmail as your Action app and authorize your account. Once the authorization is done, now you can select the action that you want to perform when a new lead is created in Salesforce. In this case, it will be Send an Email. But don't forget, you can choose different actions from this list for any of your desired workflow automation. Next, we will add the From Name and the From Address for the email to be sent on a new lead in Salesforce. Here you need to make sure that the From address is the same one which you have just authenticated. Now let's add the To Name and the To Address like this. Here I want to send a notification email to myself for a new lead, so I'm adding my own email address. Now we will add the subject as New Lead in Salesforce. Then select the email type you want. We will select Plain Text Email. Next, you will compose the email. You can drag and drop the Salesforce lead data into the email like this. You've made your bot, and now let's move to test the bot. After you click on the Save button, please turn on your bot. You can see options to test this bot by either creating a new lead in Salesforce or running it with sample data. Let's try creating a new lead in Salesforce and see how that works. And here's how you'll do it. Go to the Leads tab in your Salesforce app dashboard. Click on the New button and put in some sample data like this. You can put in first name, last name, company, and email address, and now click on Save. After this, move to the dashboard of Automate.io and click I'm done, run the test. Next, move to your Gmail app and see the new email sent with the Salesforce lead details in the format you created in your workflow. And that's it. It's as easy as this to notify yourself about all of your incoming leads and never miss following up on a lead immediately. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. Thank you for watching this tutorial.